Hi guys, today I introduce you guys the inside beauty bar box. Inside have the bag black color, very beautiful. This is the battery 2A, and this is the book. This how to use. This EQC bath product, and this a T-bar, that's the very small size. How to open? You just open the bottom, and you see here have a texture from Japan, and you put the battery in. After put battery in, you see here have a tonight. You just turn on the bottom like this, and you see it start working. It's roll very fast. And here, make your face V9 face, and remove winker, no more. Very good for girl and guy can use as well. When you don't want, use that up, turn, so no more. When on that like this, that turn on, up, very easy. Thank you for the guys watching my video. And you want buy the product that go our website. Thank you.